Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the previous video, what I showed you was how to explore all the files within your laptop or PC. So we looked at it and looked at the dashboard. Now what are the different type of files, the extensions, and what are the size of that, and what are the top 10 files, etc. So today what we'll look at is we'll explore a particular path. Probably, let's say we want to delete some of the files from there. And we'll go ahead and do that automatically. So I'm taking the particular path, this one. I'm just going to give it here. I'm just going to analyze the file. Yeah. So it has analyzed it very quickly. Yeah. We can see there are 9 text documents, okay, which I don't want. All these. So if I go to the details, I can see all the text document here. What I'll do is all the text, I'm just going to copy it. The file path, file name, and file extension, copy that and go to delete sheet and I paste it here. Okay. I just want all these 9 files to be deleted as an example. So to delete it manually, you can just go over and select and delete. Okay. But if there are multiple different paths, it's a bit difficult. Yeah. So that's why this is very useful. If I go click delete, boom. So now if I go to the path, all those files are gone. Now, if I go back and analyze this again, you see all the text files are gone. That's how quick it is. So you can delete it from multiple different file paths to in a single click of button. Yeah. So the way I would do it is if it's multiple different path, we'll analyze the list of files. I'll have another column probably here and just say what to be deleted, what not to be deleted. Say yes and filter on what has to be deleted. Filter for that and just copy that, put it here and click this button. That's it. I hope this would have been useful. If you're interested to use this, please feel free to download this tool from the link. Thanks a lot for listening, guys. I'll see you with another video very soon.